Hello, hi, welcome to today's episode of Business Growth Series 0.1. My name is Jude Daniel Onubu. I am the founder and chairman of Naija Tellers Empowerment Initiative, NTI. Our topic for today is how to register a business name with Corporate Affairs Commission CAC for your clothing brand. Yes, so we'll be showing you a step-by-step guide how you can effectively register your business name with Corporate Affairs Commission, starting with reserving the name and making payment, then completing the business registration. Why register a business name? Business name registration is ideal for business owners who want to try out a new market without properly setting up a company. In business name registration, you are responsible for any debt or any lawsuit uh, you get as a result of running your business operation, unlike the proper company limited liability where you are a separate entity different from your business entity. Yes, we strongly recommend you get a professional if your intention is to register a proper company because company registration, most especially the ones that involve partnership, is very complex, and we advise you to get a legal advice. Yeah, so we will move in straight into the process.
We will proceed with registering a user account. Yes, the first thing first, there are three kinds of user accounts before you can set up or register your fashion business name or your clothing brand name. You need to register a user account with Corporate Affairs Commission. So we'll go to sign up. When you click on sign up, you'll be brought to this screen. There are currently three kind of user accounts, but we are going to only work with the public user account. The public user account is the account you need. So you use a public user account, you click on it. The implication of the public user account is that as you register any business, your public user account will be automatically added as either one of the directors or the owners of the business or board of trustees. So that is the implication. And the public users account, you cannot use it to register for a third party. It is only for yourself. So when you select the public user account, you are going to click on continue. Then you will be brought to the registration page. The user registration page is quite simple. The only important thing I want to say about this page is that when filling out this page, try and use the information on your national identity card. Yes, make sure they align with all the information you're going to fill in here. Make sure they are the same thing with the information you're going to fill on your national identity card. When it comes to card verification, you use a national identity card. Why? Because you don't want any form of discrepancies in your information, because you want all the information being transferred into your registered company to be accurate. So it is better to go with the informations the way they are arranged in your national identity card. The public users account has three a simple section, which is your personal details, your surname, your first name, your other name, your date of birth, your gender, and your nationality. The second aspect is the account details, which is your phone number. You need to use a workable email address, a functioning email address, because most times OTP will be sent to you when you want to log in. You confirm the same email address here. Then you choose a username, a name you can easily remember, followed by your preferred password. Then you confirm it. we recommend you use a strong password. Strong password is any password that contains upper letter, small letter, number, and special character, which can be dash, hyphen, dot, underscore. So then the third aspect is your address. You understand? It's just your personal address. Then when you're done filling this thing, you click on the register button, and confirmation email will be sent into your email inbox, the one you provided here. On the second section of this video, we are going to look at how to sign in and reserve a name, because in the processes involved when it comes to Corporate Affairs Commission is you first of all search for name availability, which happens instantly. You get an instant result. Then you reserve the name if it's available. After you reserve the name, then you have 60 days to come and complete the name registration. Is to sign in into your user account by visiting the same URL, icrp.cac.gov.ng. You can either sign in with your username or your email address, both one, or your phone number. All of them works. Then you enter your email address and your password and you click login. They will send you an OTP that you can copy from your email address and input it here. It's just a 4-digit number. After you have done that, you click on submit, and you will be directed into your user account.
So the first thing you need to do when it comes to registering a business name is to reserve the name. And in order to reserve the name, you have to check if that name you want to reserve is available. So you need to check the name availability. And so we'll move straight to new reservation.
You have to select your business classification. Just like we've said before, we'll go for name reservation. The second thing is to select the business type. We'll go with sole proprietor. I've explained all those terms at the earlier stage of the video. So when you click continue, you will be required to fill in the business name, that business name you have come up with. For this tutorial, we'll use a Bubu Express. Then you select the nature, the business category. For fashion, we'll just pick other services activities. Then you select fashion design, tailoring services. Then you check the availability. The good thing about the new CAC portal is that the availability check is now instant, because they introduce the AI capabilities into their portal. Before, you have to fill it and come back after 24 hours before you get a reply from them. So when we click on this availability, we are going to get an instant reply. You see, Bubu Express is available. The next phase is to proceed to payment gateway. The payment gateway is quite simple. You can pay through bank transfer or with your card. You just generate an invoice number. You can see. So we'll use a bank transfer. That one is more convenient. Yes. Bank transfer into the account number given to you. You will wait for them to confirm the payment. So after the payment has been confirmed, you will be assigned a code you can use and track the progress of the application. This means that you have successfully reserved this name, and name reservation expires after 60 days. So if you go back to your portal, you will see now that the Bubu Express has appeared in the list of not submitted application. Yes, you can continue your application, your business name registration. You can download your receipt. Yes, you see the status have changed to approved. Before it used to be not submitted. So we will proceed with business name registration, which is second phase. So when we get to the registration portal, the first thing you need to fill in is your company information. Here is where you provide the name. This one is pre-filled, and the nature of the business. You fill in your company's email address. I used some samples information for you to understand. Then you select which address you want to set up the company with. Then this business commencement date, there is a tricky one. We always advise you to select the day you made payment for the name reservation as your business commencement date. There is no need pushing it in future. Just maintain that date you made that confirmation payment, which is 28. So then the next thing, you save and you proceed to the next chapter. Here is the proprietor information. Remember at the beginning of this video I told you about making sure you use the information on your national identity slip to fill in your user account. All the information has been filled in automatically for you with the information you provided when registering the account. The next phase of the registration is document upload. You will be required to upload 3 documents: your national identity slip, your passport photograph, and your signature on a piece of paper. This one is quite easy because you can easily place all these documents on a table and snap it with your phone. The size must not exceed 4 MB per each document. So I will speed up and upload all my documents. You first of all select the proprietor's account that you want to upload the document to. Then I'll upload the national identity slip. I'll upload the passport photograph. Then I'll upload the signature. After I'm done uploading it, I will now add the proprietor's documents to their server. You give it time, it will upload one after the other. Now after the uploading is done, the next thing you're required to do is to go and verify all the information you have filled, all of them from A to Z. You understand? This is the last stage of the process. Once you have filled in all these necessary informations, you have to review them one by one to see if they are accurate. You can even view the document you have uploaded before you submit and complete your payment. So the last stage is just that same process we did during payment. You submit your application and they generate a payment invoice for you to go and finalize the process. The payment portal is just like the other process, just that this time around is 20,000 naira. The other one was 1,000 naira. Once you complete this payment, your business registration form certificate will be generated, will be sent to your email inbox, and it will appear on your portal. You can easily download it. This has brought us to the end of this episode. We hope you learned and enjoy your experience. Please follow our YouTube channel and like our videos, as this will encourage us to continue to push out more content. Thank you. See you on the next episode.